Hi, I'm Tori, and today I will be showing you how to create a work order manually on Sage Construction Management. Before entering the work orders, you need to do two things. Make sure the firm and the company being issued the work order are listed in the project directory. For this, you are going to go to Projects, select the project from the list, and then scroll down to Project Team, click Project Directory. Here, you can search to see if they are in this project directory, and if they are not, then you can add them. Then next, before you enter work orders, you need to review the options list for work orders types and settings. So go to this little gear over here, Feature Settings, and Documentation. You are going to scroll down to work order types. You can edit this and add more. All right, now for actually creating the work order. First, you're going to go to Projects, choose the project from this list or select those links below. Scroll down to Documentation and click Work Orders. Next, you are going to go to Actions. You can copy a work order, but we are going to add one manually. The project number, prime contact, issue date, work order number, all will be automatically put in for you. You are able to change them. You need to add the subject. Then you are able to change this type. Go down and the issued by is going to be filled out with your information. You are able to change it. You need to select the issued to. You can add a description. Then you are able to put references right here. Status. All right, then we're at the status. You are able to update the billable and overall status. Billable, only applicable if the prime contract is a cost plus. And then status, you're able to do pending. It's just the overall status, and enter your status date. That date will be the date if status is set to approved. All right. Then you are able to add a cost reviewer. This is if the work order cost items and installed work. You can add their contact company information, but you can also skip it. It's optional. Then you're going to click Next. Here, you're able to put in the job cost code, resource, and text code. Here, if you do not have actual values, you can click Show Estimated Cost Values. And there is the estimated, which will help. The cost code, tax, and resource will automatically fill in from what you put up here. You can also add and import items from here. Then click Save and Next. You're able to drag files or link existing. And then you have manually created a work order in Sage Construction Management.